Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep or change the status of your files or your draft files in v.io. So, what you need to do is go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and open v.io and log into your account. You can see your recent videos and your drafts over here. What you need to do to change your status of these files is click on this 3-line button of the file you want to change the status of, and you can see the no status over here. You can click on it and there are 4 types of status. The one is no status, the second is in progress, the third is needs review, and the fourth is completed. So you can choose the status accordingly and the status will be changed. So it's quite simple guys. All you need to do is open v.io, go to your recent videos, click on the 3 lines of the video you want to edit and go to no status and click on the status which you want to keep. This way the status will be changed and it will be according to your want and need, and it will be really easy for you to find the categories, and then you can edit it once again, and if it's completed you can post it in the internet. I hope this video about how you can change or keep your status was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.